From the producer of The Wedding Party and taxi driver Okwa Show comes another blockbuster romantic adventure.
Nearly a year, I don't even know where you stay.
I said back off.
Tattoo.
I think someone is after me.
What is it?
Based on a book by Dr. Abraham Wankwo.
She has no hiding place.
Starring Shego Arinze, Tayi Aimaku, Gabriel Afolayan, Rahma Sadau, Fulola Afoebi Rhyme, Sambasa Nzeribe, Saka, Frank Dunga, Desmond Elliott. Introducing Dumebi Nzeribe. Tattoo, directed by Donna Mokman. Showing at cinemas nationwide from September 15th. Premieres on the 22nd of July at the prestigious Eco Hotel and Suites, Victoria Island, Lagos.
I'd rather die than have Buru take my baby!
This premiere is packaged by Larry Mapo Event.